Hello everyone, welcome back to Kirklees Guitar School. So I'm going to talk about a strumming pattern today that's sort of in the natural progression for students who have just found the chords and can strum along sort of on the beat to a song at 4 beats to the bar. This is the next kind of logical step for that. So this is what I call the down, down, up, down strumming pattern. It's really versatile and you'll get a lot of use out of it. I use it still all the time in my day-to-day playing. So let's get into it. This is the full pattern. Down, down, up, down. Sounds like this. Down, down, up, down. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to split that pattern in half. I'm going to split the first 3 notes off like this, and then there's a little rest down here. So you can see how we've got down, down, and then up. Let me play that for you. And can you hear how I've got 2 downs, and then straight away after I've executed that second downstroke, I need to do an up. I'm using a G chord for today's lesson. You can use any 6-string chord, and then you can work into your A minors and your Cs and your Ds that subtract strings later on. Down, down, up is what we're going for. I'll play that again for you. Pause the video if you need to get that under your fingers. If you're feeling keen, we're going to add the 2 remaining notes. So can you see how we've got down, down, up, down. 2 downs, 2 ups, and a down. Down, down, up, down. And can you see how my elbow, all the movement should be coming from my elbow, and it doesn't stop moving. It's like the pendulum of a grandfather clock. Think of it that way. So I'm constantly going down, up, down, up, down, up with my arm, but I'm choosing which notes I catch the strings with the plectrum on. In this case, on the first 2 downstrokes, then the 2 upstrokes, and then a down. Now you can either think of this as 1, 2, and 4. You can count the beats 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, or it's perfectly okay to have the rhythm in your head and just think ba 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 ba. Either way is completely fine at this point. Don't get too bogged down in that. Sound first, theory second. So pause the video if you need to have a go at that. I'd recommend using the chapters to find where you need for this. I'd recommend trying to get that just on 1 static chord with 6 strings, and then once you're comfortable with that, take a 4-chord strumming song, I don't know, something like Mr. Tambourine Man, or I don't know, just some sort of 4-chord, Zombie by the Cranberries probably be a good one as well. And then try and use that technique to do the strumming. But like on a D chord, for example, can you play that, but then you subtract these 2 strings here? If you go to my B cam for a second, can you see how I'm not doing the full stroke? There is another lesson due to go up on the channel later this week where we develop that a little bit more with some what we call accents, which is like level 2 to this lesson. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this lesson, and one side or the other you'll see the logo for Kirklees Guitar School. If you like the video and subscribe to the channel, it really does help us out. We've been doing really well with the videos recently, and I want to bring this to as many people as possible. Thank you for your time today, and I'll catch you in his next lesson. Cheers.